All right, Industry Day at the Range 2017 at the Q station. We are checking out the Erector. Except for the blast baffle, it is all aluminum, super lightweight, and you can change the length of this thing. With all 10 baffles, it's 2.2 ounces. Just weighs nothing. This one has 5. Let's go ahead and see how she shoots. That is pretty quiet for the short configuration, definitely. Let's see if I can operate this Ruger a little better. Oh yeah. Nice. Love it. How cool is that? You know, I should mention, this looks big, right? It's a long can, it's a little over 6 inches with all 10 baffles. Super quiet, but 2 ounces, 2.2, whatever it is, that is basically the lightest 22 can on the market, and I can't tell. Can't tell what's on there. There's no mass swinging out there. That's just awesome.
We knew we would be